Hey girl, and welcome back to the Pink Bubble. Today is day 6 of our 7 days of love. I can't believe we're almost done. I never wanted to end. I've been having so much fun with this, y'all. But today we will be talking about family love, family structure, my little family that I love so much. So that's why y'all see me here today in my comfortable two-piece with my hair tied up and a natural face, just because my family is where I feel my most comfortable. I can bear all, and I could just be me. We could just relax, be ourselves, snatch our wigs off, because yes, I do that too, and just be us, okay? So let's get into it. So, what does family mean to you all? Let me know. Drop down in the comments. What are your thoughts? What are your values on family? So, family is so important to me. Like, I am very family oriented because I've realized over the years that your family is where everything begins, where it all started for you. Like, I love the memories that we hold, the memories that we share, the experiences that we have gone through and are going through at the current moment, and just reflecting on where we are now. That is just so special to me. I have to be honest. It makes me feel like I'm hanging with my best friends, and I'm hanging with people that, like, I grew up with, like, forever friends. Like, that's how I feel like they are, like, my forever friends. These are, like, the people that I know that's going to tell me 100% the truth. Like, my relationship with my siblings, to me, it is such a beautiful thing that we have, because we spend time together, and when we are not together, like, we on the phone, we on FaceTime, and even if it's not every day, it's at least once or twice a week. Our relationships between each other has grown throughout the years, and we always switch. Like, my two older sisters, Danae and Jasmine, they are joint at the hip, okay? Like, they are 15 months apart, so they are like best friends, and they probably talk on the phone every day. Like, they know all the tea between each other. And growing up, that's how they always were. And me and my younger brother, we are, what, 3 years apart? Almost 3 years apart. We were always close growing up. So, like, now Daniel is closer to Jazz, and I'll be closer to Danae, and then it'll swap, and I'll be closer to Jasmine for a moment. And I think it's just really what we going through at the time, what we can connect on, but we always come together, and we always have a good time. We always have game night, which be super fun because we be lit, and we go out of town together. We go party. We make sure we celebrate each other's birthdays. And I do have to honestly say that all got stronger when our mother moved away. It was like my older sister Danae, she sprung into action of taking on that mother role, or at least helping me out with everything. And I feel like I can always call on her. If I ever need something, if I'm trying to figure something out, if I'm ever confused, she a good person to call, because she know a lot of things, and things that she's already been through. And the same thing for Jasmine. Although Jasmine, you gotta tread lightly though. She kind of crazy. But in a loving, kind of antagonizing, bully way. That's how she is. But you can always go to her. And then my brother is the only boy, so he's like a big old baby, and we all have to tag team in what we feel like babying him about for that moment. Like right now, it's Jazz job. It's Jazz job right now. But honestly, I really, really couldn't imagine being without them and not having that dynamic. Now that I have it, I would be so brokenhearted if anything were to ever happen and that dynamic broke in any type of way. I would really be, I'm the emotional one, so I would really be just like distraught. So it's really just that sense of comfort that I feel when I'm with my family. And it's where I could just be me. I can let my hair down. I can talk to them. I don't get offended by the things that they say if it becomes something that maybe I don't like that they say. I don't get offended as far as like, oh my God, I'm just not going to talk to you anymore. You just offended me to the point where you hurt my feelings. Like if I feel like I'm offended or if I feel like one of them is doing too much, I'm going to say it. I'm going to be like, bitch, you doing too much. But I'm not about to run out the room and cry and swear never to talk to them again. Like, no, we're not doing that because I need my siblings. I need my family. I need those people around me. And the same things go for my mother. Now, me and my mama, that's a whole nother topic. Like, if y'all follow me or y'all know me and went to school with me, y'all know Lillian is my girl, okay? But family to me is, that's why family to me is just, it's just everything because I really, truly adore them. I love all my little babies and my big baby, which is Danny. I love them and I love that time that we spend together. We have fun. We take pictures. We get on TikTok now since I know how to work TikTok now. We get on TikTok and we just do the damn thing. And we have fun while we doing it. We making those memories that they will forever cherish. And when it's time for them to get married and go on and live their life, they would have had those experience of what a loving family is, what the dynamics of family is, what should we do, how should we speak. You know, those things, they'll already have it instilled in them. So when they move forward in their own lives, they won't have to be confused or have to learn as they go. And I believe that's the reason for family. It should be a place where you find comfort in just being yourself. I don't have to put on a brave face. I don't have to put on a professional voice. I don't have to be the other faces that us women have to wear. I don't have to do that. I can just let my hair down and I can just be me and we can talk and laugh. And my family, we don't really cry, but we can have those deep conversations. We can talk about whatever, be in the moment and love on each other in that moment. I think having family around you just cuddles you. It's like a big old bear that just like cuddles you and hugs you and just makes you feel good, makes you feel safe. That's the way it should be to me, okay? You need that backbone. Like life is already hard. You get what I'm saying? Like life is already hard. So you need some type of backbone, some type of structure that's going to push you up. Like they say, it takes a village to raise a child. I feel like once that child is gone, that village continues. Like it's a never ending village because then I need a village to continue to push me to where I'm going. Like it's a never ending. You're going to always need somebody around you, whether it be family, whether it be friends, whether it be your spouse, your children, whatever. you always need other people around you. And I think that for me, it's a strong lean on for family structure, family dynamic, and loving on my people. Actually, it was my husband and his family back when we met 10 years ago. His family really opened my eyes up to how family oriented and how family love can be so important and so comforting. I love my in-laws. Love my in-laws so much because they are just so family oriented, and I used to love it. I just literally used to sit there and soak up all they love. And I still do to this day because they show love, they give love, they speak love, they are funny as hell, and they just are just so, they just click with me, and I just love them so much. So I appreciate my husband, his family, for introducing me into that family structure, that family dynamic, to where you can love on your people and really, really show them love outside of just the regular family dinners and stuff like that. You could really like hang with your people. Like, your people could be your best friends too. And I was like, okay, I need to figure this out. Let me figure out how me and my siblings can be bestest of friends, and I could call them and sit on the phone with them all day, and we talk shit, we laugh, we joke, we find guidance, shit, we ask questions, anything like that. Like, I had to figure that out because, I liked it, and I'm just emotional. So I just love love. I just love love so much. So in any way possible that I can get it, I get it. Okay. But that's all for me. But that's it. I didn't even play none of my games. And this was already long. But that's all for me. On But that's all I have for today's topic. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias at Yes It's Dollface. And I will see you back here tomorrow for the last day, day 7 of our 7 days of love. I'm so excited because tomorrow is Valentine's Day. It's a day to love on the people that you love and be with the people that you be with. Or if you're single, be with yourself and love on yourself, and order you some flowers, girl. Order you some edible arrangements and just spend that time with yourself, girl. Treat yourself. And I will see you all here tomorrow. Bye.